In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Peace and blessings of Allah be upon you. Once again, I welcome you to the Shahidi Wad Jumper channel. In today's video, we will see how to use the Fitpro app. Powered by Dubverse. Friends, let's see how to connect this smartwatch with this mobile. Powered by Dubverse. So I open it from here. So friends, this is its main display. Here you can see, this is the home. I turn on the smartwatch. After that, the second number is set. You can see, set. This is its home display. You will get a lot of things in a home display. There is a distance option, there is a target, there is my health rating. There is sleep mode, there is healthy habit. You can see these things. Powered by Dubverse. In motion, walk, run, bike. You can also use these things here. If you click on the start button, it says login first police. After that, there's mine. In mine, you can create your profile. Here you can make your name, height, age, and target, step, distance, unit, everything. You can make your profile here. Apart from that, there is about here. You can see its barcode from here. And here is login. You can also log in here through the mail address. And friends, the main thing in this app is powered by Dubverse. There is a button on set. Here you can see, find device to experience more features. If we click on this. So friends, this app is searching for this smartwatch. Powered by Dubverse. Watch 8 has come here. I click on it. So it will start getting complete from here. Friends, it has started getting complete. Powered by Dubverse. It has been connected to the smartwatch. The smartwatch has been connected to this mobile. So now how do we use it? Here is raise if you activate it here. If you turn it off from here. If you turn it on from here, when this smartwatch will be in your wrist. Now if you shake it, move it. So time will be shown here. You can also set its timing from here. Friends, after that, you can also turn on Do Not Disturb mode. Powered by Dubverse. You can also set the alarm of your choice. Powered by Dubverse. You can set the alarm from here. Powered by Dubverse. After that, you have to confirm from here. Friends, after that is fine. If you click on it. So this watch will start vibrating. Powered by Dubverse. If you are not getting any smartwatch. If it is lost. Powered by Dubverse. Friends, add this better. You can make a peek from here. You can see here. Powered by Dubverse. So here is the peek. See here. Powered by Dubverse. Powered by Dubverse. This is message push. In message push. Whichever social media platform you want to turn on. Powered by Dubverse. Here you can see. WhatsApp is on. Facebook is on. Now in the smartwatch. Facebook and WhatsApp. Whatever message will come. Any notification will come. It will definitely come in this smartwatch. Because we have turned it on from here. If we want to call. You can also turn it on from here. SMS reminder is on. If SMS comes in this smartwatch. Powered by Dubverse. Here you can see. There are many things. Telegram is on. Snapchat is on. Skype is on. And return chat is on. There are many things. Just keep from turn on. You can turn it on from here. After that is. You can save contacts number from here. So if you want to call it. You can do it through the smartwatch. After that is. Dial setting. In dial setting. You can put your picture. In smartwatch. I will show you how to do it practically. Powered by Dubverse. Here is. Change the dial. I click on it. And from here. Powered by Dubverse. I will OK it from here. And below. You can see. I click here. I will click again. Got it here. So this picture is being upgraded in smartwatch. Here you can see. Upgrading it will be up to 100. After that. This picture will be shown here. So friends. I will back it. Here you can see. Picture has been shown in front of you. I will zoom in and show you. So friends. After that. I will back it from here. Here is reset device. You can confirm it here. Here you can see. It has been reset. When you reset it. Everything in it. Will be removed. After that friends. Here is other. From here. You can turn on and off vibrate. Powered by Dubverse. Here is background setting. This is not a special thing. Privacy setting is also not special. So these were the things which I wanted to tell you. How can you use Fitpro app? I hope you liked this video. Powered by Dubverse. Then please like it.